This video I'm going to show how I disposed of an old mattress since these are so hard to give away. Now the first thing I try to do is cut the mattress down the middle with a hacksaw, but I figure out that it doesn't cut well, so I decide to try something different. I put a cutoff wheel on my angle grinder and give that a shot, but the cushioning ends up getting caught up in the safety guard. So I unplug the grinder and then take the guard off, and that ends up working really well. I use it to cut down the middle of the mattress and then on the sides so I can peel the top back to see what I have to deal with on the inside. I then cut the top layer of foam down the middle and then tear it off to find a bunch of springs underneath. I pull the springs out thinking that I'll need to cut them apart too, but they end up pulling apart pretty easy, so I can just roll them up and throw them in the trash with the rest of the bed. It took 3 or 4 weeks to throw it all out, but I just added as much as I could to fill the dumpster right before I wheeled it to the curb.
Hopefully this video has helped, and feel free to ask any questions that you still may have in the comments. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe for more quick and on-point videos.